WE, baby.
Just a trip away.
Okay. No, hi. Welcome to another heated episode. Before you, I sase you attend sports the causa.
Hola kubza.
Hayi asibonga.
Izo.
Bekhona mfaka baba.
Sibonga bhuti.
Hayi siphethe surprise pack namhlanje. Pungani.
Sure.
Omusha. Welcome back.
Yeah. No, sibonge. It's been long. Ngithe ngivakashe nami. Ngibuye ekhaya.
No, as kancane nje sizom sideline ghost guys. I think we all know ukuthi man, I think someone said akashadanga. Yabo, so yena ngeke amele ezinye izinto. We have seen uPhungane anyway ukuthi uswitchile kahle uthi ngale ikipa zeChiefs azikho ePitori bathi seyincane. Sekagenile now ofake sisanda wana akwas take it through.
Yeah, no. Ngizoba honest. Njengoba ngihlala ngi-honest la kule show yethu. Yeah, kufike to a point where I've decided ukuthi ngishiye Kaizer Chiefs. I'm not happy nge-management. I'm not happy how they run things. Kancane nje mangakusummarizela i-season yabo. While amanye ama team ayosayina kuma Rumo Gallants ba lokho ba promote ama development. Ngibona iChiefs ihamba yosayina esibhedlela. So beza negoli nje ngakountela over 5 players abafike balimele uKaizer Chiefs. New signings. I don't know ukuthi ngina enough time ukuthi ngaba mention na. Ushinga ufika limele uKaizer Chiefs. Chislet makafika bebathu limele. Igadaro ulimele. Umako wafika limele, umnyano wafika limele. Ngiqhubeke yinde le list. Isibhedlela sonke. Yabo? So I fail to understand ukuthi if iKaizer Chiefs iyodlala iCAF Confederation Cup nalama competition we league ne league itself, why bangasayina abantu abanjalo ekubeni bathi bayo compete? And the management after iNedbank victory yena wa promise ama fans what guys, we are going to sign players, quality players, because we understand the challenges soba nayo next season. The next thing you sign esibhedlela. I mean, for me that was a turn off. Yabo? And the other thing, Chiefs ya loser, you check the players mabadlala, no sense of agency. You check the management, it's normal kube ilose. Yabo? What else we traveled? Sema Moses Mapida, siyabhadala, siyabook. Yabo? Accommodation, ama-ticket. Base FNP, ngi-attende wonke ama home game eChiefs. eChiefs nje kufike to a point la khona ngithi for me enough is enough. Angeke ngishise skipper njengabanye, ngeke ngibakhulume kabi, angikho happy nge-overall nje Kaizer Chiefs. So I have left.
I'm not complaining. I'm gaining a supporter, and it seems like it's a very, very loyal supporter. So welcome. We are now 58. So
Thank you.
Move on.
But I feel ukuthi mina I support elinyele untrustworthy because you'll never know anyway. You get what I'm saying?
No. Ukompela ke wakhuluma something after that incident ga Kabuza. What you must take care of your emotions. And to go to that store, buy an expensive sneaker, take off the emotions so that uzokhona. So he chose peace over everything.
Yasengisho ukuthi okay, what if something eyenzakalayo ngale iphinde yenzeke futhi kulo mshado wakho?
But ubuza utakhazo mela buze ngika.
No, ngizobuza ungawara. Angithi yena uyakhulumela okwamanje. So kumele phela okwamanje une loyal fan. Ukuthi I doubt ukuthi yi loyal fan because manje kuyabona ukuthi umuntu othi through thick and thin makaqeda lapho nang futhi manje usase thick akakabi thin.
We should ukuthi yena kashadanga. Yeah, so now probably now he'll feel at home. He'll decide to get married. And once you go, once you taste that shushed and piano from Mamelodi Sundowns, you can never go back. We've been through a dry season as Sundowns, and I doubt there's any Sundowns fan who jumped ship, because Lapana, you fall in love with the artistry of the team. Lapana, even if they lose, you can see ukuthi the team is losing, playing well. Yabona. Oh, ekuphi hope nokuthi we can still come back. But when you see ukuthi lana la ukhona there's no light at the end of the tunnel, then uyabona ukuthi usenkingeni.
Yeah, football choose. I've heard that yesterday. Yes, Banglalele Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah. Then people saying the same thing. I think mhlambe namhlanje maka ngabukela le episode uzoyibona example lento lebekhulunywa ngayo lapha ukuthi hey, these people do championships. But anyway mnganami all the best. Angeke ngikunikeze ithuba lokuthi makwenzeka le nto kuzokwenzakala. Ngazi zonke unsundendende. So yeah, I think with the time ukuthi now see address like this thing my friends like actually I jump on my ships because one thing that I don't understand, do you guys have a membership lapha na Sundowns or we are getting a pool manje ngathi mayibuyi konje?
No, a membership corner. Go Mamelodi Sundowns app, you can get your membership. That comes with a whole lot of benefits. So there is membership. You can have a membership your team.
Then that's marriage.
Ngicela ukumkhombisa yona.
Oh, bengi-expect ukuthi mhlawumbe iza nge-internet bengithi mhlawumbe uzothi hayi nali la ekhaya.
No, angakayenza ngithi khani ngimove lePitori manje. So bengisazama ukusettlela ngicheck indawo ngibona ukuthi kwenzakalani. So as soon as ngiba grand nje ngento zami ngizoqala and mind you kuzobe kuyi membership yami yokuqala le team. Angazi ngaba ne membership before.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I know now nge understand. Angazi ukuthi namhlanje bafethu ngine energy. I think I like what I see because it's an example though esho ukuthi man abafenzi kumele athathe serious. But with what you just said now, I think also unikeza whoever the management they choose ukuthi the person that you're talking about, he was not even a member, he was just like a follower, but
bengi supporter because bengithenga amathikiti wase KZN bengithenga awakuphi bengihamba ne Chiefs. Akukho la ngayanga khona ne Chiefs. So bengi support i-team and bengithenga merchandise. Manje ngimele ngiyo-offload kule wardrobe ngikhiphe yonke into yale nhlapha no goalkeeper abana no goalkeeper bano goalkeeper yo1 bathi ulimele manje asazulinyazo ubani ngoba sibonanga manje abana goalkeeper.
Yeah, and I get to that when because lento le young mangaza, you know, when we were analyzing ama signings with Kaizer Chiefs, not saying which mhlambe ngithatha side le Kaizer Chiefs, we never saw yonke lento le like especially. I think there is something wrong with Chiefs in terms of whoever a physical trainer or whoever is lapha because of these people majority yabo asibaboni balimala emagamini sibona umunye ulimele bawomapa sineneni umideni kumele adlale beka kwi line up walimala. So all the time nje kuhlala kuna lezi zinto lezana ezi behind the scene usho ukuthi kahle kahle into wrong. It's not like mhlawumbe ukuthi scout mase sign a player belimele because the only one player that I know which Kaizer Chiefs at 10 limele straight it was Simphiwe Shabalala. But now the list oyibalayo they were saying ama fitness akekho fit akekho njani and we saw that now which is like Chidlet uyahluleka ukuthi aqede 90 minutes yambona ukuthi umoya mphelele. But ke analysis yakho yangalesa sikhathi kusho khona ukuthi ayintela neyamanje ayisehlukile kumele sifeke takaza le ndaba le.
No, I can promise you one thing. Yes, I've moved from Kaizer Chiefs to Mamelodi Sundowns, but I'll always be honest ngama facts with disc because ngithanda ibhola more than anything. If bengomunye umuntu I would have lied njengamanye ama Kaizer Chiefs fans abathi mina Chiefs angisayingeni indaba yayo angisabukeli laba bashisa ikipa ku social media abazidabulayo nani. So it's different. And one thing you must know guys, I'm not the only one ohambile. It's just that I'm the only one for now on the opportunity yokuthi ngiziveze. Yabo? But I'm telling you, I'm not the only one.
Yeah, there are plenty of guys. There are plenty of guys who have jumped ship, and hopefully, it's a shift from the traditional household. We know ukuthi they are the most supported team in the country. So they won't only go to Sundowns, they'll go to other teams, they'll go to Paris, they'll go to Siwelele. so that it's not divide ama numbers. It's like kune breakaway EFF mayibuye yabona. So it's good for football. It's good for football to divide ama numbers.
That was my next question kahle kumfowethu ngapha ukuthi so why Sundowns? Team.
Yes, my first favorite player ngisasentwana mangikhula beku Rafael Chuku.
Okay.
Because bekakora uBrian Baloyi. Every time bengingabukela ama league games kakhulu bengisasentwana ngingaka understand idisc. But mangibona abantu bagcwala bazobukela iRoofman's Cup bengiya ngiyohlala because ngibona kunama fans amaningi bese ngiyabukela. So back then uBrian Baloyi was the best goalkeeper. But this guy mangibukele iSundowns neChiefs kuRoofman's Cup bekahlala kora. And I was like, yo, ngifuna ukufana nale out ngifuna ukukora yabo. Then iplayer yami yokuqala engayithanda beku Rafael Chuku. Yabo. Since then ke ngaqala ngaba nelihlo for the Sundowns. So ngikhule ekhaya bafavorite Kaizer Chiefs. So ngifavorite Chiefs kanjalo because ngithi bafavorite Chiefs. Mangaloko ngikhula ngibukela ibhola man sengiyaqala ngibona abo Fire Masilela. Yabo. Mara the aim bekubukela uChuku. But sengibona abo Isaac Shai. Yabo. Sengibona abo John Dlale yabo sengiyaqala ke banale ukuthi hayi mari Sundowns mara favorite Chiefs yabo kithi phela Chiefs usingahle yabo then ngaya up until kwafika uPitso. That's when I fell in love with Sundowns, but I hated uPitso because of ama comments wakhe ngeKaizer Chiefs. Then ngaba nale nto ukuthi hayi then came uRolane ngabona ukuthi no something is calling me there. But I was
Dala what do you detach from Kaizer Chiefs?
Dala phela this thing Chiefs ayiqala manje lento yenza ukuthi manje iba worse yabo so angifuni ukuwa mina ngikho ku Holland uhlala athi kune funeral cover uDumisana ngazi mina angekho la mangawa mina ifamily yami izomela ibona iplan yabo so abo Sundowns I'm telling you guys ukusuka ePitori kuza la Orange Farm the way bangibulisa ngakhona abantu
akabuye
yazi ngashentsha nemove sengihamba kanjani yazi ngezoba umnandi yabo so yeah
but it makes sense. This is something that uTakaza ishilo wathi sebayi 58 manje obviously they notice each other fana nokuthi usemakhaya yazi ngosemakhaya umuntu ongamazi mfethu
sazathi ngamagama so
awuniyazana no yeah so now kumele uzintroduce ngathi ku hi my name is Sipho so hayi congratulations mfethu ukuthi ujoin team esawinayo kwamanje sawina kamanje hopefully nami ngelinye ilanga mase ngifavor ibhola ngizojumpa ama ships ukubona mase nginethibe ngithatha no asibonge bafethu asibonge
welcome Sigal welcome
welcome nama viewers welcome everyone Ghost man this is thathile isikhathi sakho kancane ngibona umhlolo lana ngibona umhlola straight kodwa ke we address the elephant in the house.
Just a dream.